My name is Wolfgang. I am from Bavaria. That is a country near Germany. Okay, and that is day number 2. Well, so far I feel good. What a surprise, I haven't seen any changes yet, but well, it's fine. Don't feel too trashy. I was a little moody yesterday, so well, you have your ups and downs, and it's only the second day. So here's what we start today with. Alpha lipone acid, we already talked about. We talked about vitamin D3, which will come today. Polycosanol, garlic, green tea, supercisis, which basically is for the joints. Glutamine, basically for the loading. And we're talking about cod liver, and I'm not really sure how I feel about that now, but we'll find out soon. So basically, and here's my food for the day. On the left we have salmon, broccoli and quinoa. In the middle one, that's gonna be my second breakfast, so it should be like this. And basically this is eggs, beans and tomato. And then 2 hours before the workout, I will have the chili with chicken, quinoa and beans, which is not too bad actually. And on the back there's my breakfast. It's a protein shake made with protein powder and milk. Bullshit. Protein powder and water. Yummy. Okay, I definitely know what I eat on my cheating day. First thing's milk. Hi there, it's me again. I don't know, I've been into my second day of Timithy Ferries 4 hours body. I haven't changed a lot, still on the same diet like yesterday, but started with supplements, and somehow it's hard to describe. It feels more power start to rush in the muscles. I'm not sure what it is, but it really feels good. It feels like, yeah, we're getting. I'm really looking forward for the next 28 days. Thanks for watching, and I'm feeling pretty good. Really pretty good. So hey there, it's me again. I just finished my second lunch. Had to admit that was a pretty amount of work to get it done. It took me about half an hour to finish that cup of chili and quinoa. And I have to admit, eating that much becomes surprisingly a hard job. Okay, this is second day, last night. It's about 10 o'clock. I wanted to go out for workout, but unfortunately it's raining heavily, so I will postpone it to tomorrow morning. One more meal to go today, and it should have been beef and beans, but to be honest with you, it's really getting hard to get that amount of food inside my body. But nevertheless, I probably will skip the beans, but still keep the beef and some onions, make it plain and simple. I didn't have much time today, so I have to skip the quinoa for tomorrow's meal. Instead of that, I'm just using kidney beans. Works quicker, same result anyway, who cares. Apart from that, feeling a little tired, but it's been a working day, so... But I don't feel a massive impact on the food chain yet, so it's good. And I don't really... Well, I don't really feel the need, or I don't really have to fight some temptations so far. So let's see till Friday.